Well, guys, it's absolutely insane what's happening. We targeted individuals have been targeted, and they're trying to throw us in prison, arrest us, kill us, and we've been running these truth networks. And what I've noticed is all of a sudden this QAnon and all these other people have popped up, Sather and all this stuff, military people, and now they're in the Truth Network. And I'm thinking to myself, where did they come from? I never even heard of these people before. I've been doing this for 8 years. Now, I know of a lot of people that are getting microwaved to death, tortured, that are doing these truth networks. All of us. Now, all of a sudden, there's these people that have replaced us. And they're just copying everything that we say, but they're saying it very scripted. You understand what I'm saying? And what you're doing is they're replacing the truth movement. They're replacing us. They're throwing us in jail. They've got military people doing the truth movement. And we're being replaced. And I guess the military people have a sworn oath. And when they say, hey, stop doing the videos, then they'll stop because they're part of the military. We're being betrayed on all fronts, guys. I lost my channel the other day. I can't upload. They are jamming my signal at my house. If I'm driving, I can upload. But if I'm at my house, it's being blocked. I think what they did, I ordered a new computer and they put a jammer in it. So I'm going to have to try to look for that. But there's another jammer when they illegally searched my house. I think they put a jammer there too, or a receiver that intercepts the signal is what they're doing. They intercepted the signal. They were boosting it from my place to my sister's house is what they did. So we're being taken out, guys. We're being taken out, and we'll probably be killed pretty soon. I don't know what else to think. What else would they do with us? And you're being replaced, and the people that are replacing us are going to betray you. I guarantee you that. You'll be betrayed by those people. So get ready, because nobody's here to protect us. Nobody's going to, the military, the police, government, Trump, nobody is going to protect us. Nobody. And I believe that what they're doing is a movement just to get rid of us. And then they're going to launch artificial intelligence.